doing there?
I did the plate with the back color over the MOTOBUILT.
Oh,
so this is the two-sided tape. I was gonna just put it on the outside, right? But then dirt's gonna get back there, so that's gonna outline the actual MOTOBUILT that way it can fit flat up against that.
All right, this is the Jeep we're gonna put the bumpers on. Do a little walk around now. So you cut what?
The frame about, well, there's another cross member. The frame's 3 inches longer, right? There's another cross member, and it comes right up against here, right? Up against the body mount. Cut that cross member out, and then cut. Then you got to grind it because there's a nice template. That template's over there. You put that on there, then you mark it, then you cut it, grind it off, and weld these caps, which they send with it. That's it. I was welding pretty good this day. I was welding pretty good that day. Over there.
So did you make a cardboard template to make that bracket?
Yes. Yeah, I made one. I used I got the mounting points off of the original one.
So did you already mount that bumper just to
Yeah,
make sure it's not in the way?
Yeah, 'cause I have it marked. That's how I know where to go. Companies make that bracket. I put the extra support here, and then there's other ones they'll bolt to the bottom of the bumper, but they don't sit quite as high. So this one is as high as I can possibly get it, and it still has like a 1/4 inch off the top of the bumper, so it's not rubbing the top of the bumper.
So if you ever have to change it, you'll have to take your bumper off?
Yeah, bumper comes off really easy. I think I just messed up. This wire is supposed to actually go down here. I think I'm going to take it off and change it, just because
Change what?
this wire is supposed to go underneath it. Just because that way right here is going to sit there and rub, right? Underneath it's not.
Oh, okay.